morning, students. Few students consulted me with some doubts in the second project of the fifth video. I will be explaining the project in this video. So once more have a look at the projects. So
Hey Aaron, how are you feeling? We are on the moon for the first time in our lives. Wow, I'm so excited. We got the chance to visit the moon. Do you know how far the moon is from our planet Earth? Yes, the moon is 384,400 kilometers far from Earth. Do you know who was the first person on moon? Oh, of course. Everyone knows that Neil Armstrong was the first man on moon. Do you remember the name of the spacecraft in which Neil Armstrong came to the moon? Oh yes, I remember. It was Apollo 11. Do you know in which year this mission took place? Of course, I do know. I studied this mission well. The Apollo landed on July 20, 1969 at the Tranquility Base. It left on July 21, 1969. The astronauts stayed on the moon for 2 hours. Wow, bro, you really know so much about the moon missions. Thanks, dude. Now let's return to our planet Earth.
in this project, 2 astronauts have landed on the moon and they are having a conversation. So for this we have to add 3 sprites. The one is rocket and 2 astronauts. Okay, and we have added the background, that is moon. So with the moon background, they have started conversation at the background moon, and the 2 astronauts come from the earth and they have landed on the moon and started conversation. Okay, so what happened from the first, we should look only a rocket, not 2 astronauts. So when flag has started like this, start on green flag. Okay, what happened for the both of the astronaut, we should put hide. It is in the look option and there is the hide option. So the first one is hide. After this, when the rocket landed, the 2 astronauts come out. For that we have given the show option. Okay, but hiding and after landing the astronauts come out, so we are giving waiting time between this. So waiting time, where it is? In the control option there is wait. So we are putting wait and we are changing time according to the requirement. After this, conversation started. While the first astronaut is speaking something, the second astronaut should wait. For this, while after each conversation, we have put some weight like 60, 99 and 10. Why 99 and 10? Because the number we can give maximum, that is 99. So if I want to put that 109, then what I have to do? I have to put 99 and then 10. So 2 weights we have to give. 2 weight block is there. Like this we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 recorder. Where is the recorder? You can see in the sound block there is an option that is recording. So you have to record all this sound and you have to put accordingly. Now when you will touch the second astronaut in the sprite section, you can see there is another option. Only Four blocks we have taken. The first one is start on green flag. The first one is this. The second is hide, that is in the looks block. And the third is the wait, and that is in the control block. This is of the control categories. And after this we have so. So this is, you can see, this is the so. And only after this there is only
I'm
recording.
so excited.
Only recording is there. So where it is in the sound block, there is recorder. Whatever you want to record, you just put this recorder, you just press this recorder and you will get this box. And if you want to speak something and you want to record, only you have to touch this red button, and you will have to touch the red button, and you can speak anything. Like, I hope you understood, and put the right sign. Now we have this, and whenever I will put it here and I will touch it, it will speak. I hope you understood. So, like this, we can add more and more sound. There may be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, any number of. So, this all is over. I think now you are capable to do this. You may take this screenshot of this, because you may first time you may need help of this script. So the script is very much clear. You can do by seeing it, and after that you can make your own project. I think now it is very much clear. Even then also, if you have any doubt, please ask it in the comment section or in my WhatsApp number 930 401 5521.